Grab 咧而家係冇得 call 咗，然後你要幫佢 check 咧都好艱難揾到嘅。你幫佢 check 咧，佢幫你帶去嗰個 automatic robot 幫你 check，好艱難，你好艱難聯絡到後台嘅人。所以而家我教你哋點樣做啊！你撳呢個人頭 profile， 然後撳呢個問號 help center， 然後咧呢度講5月4號咧之後咧就冇得 call 咗，OK， 所以你撳 OK， 然後你撳呢個 browse FAQ，OK，browse FAQ， 然後撳 support， 然後撳 booking issue。唔係每一隻問題係咪？呢度好多問題 ，OK，other job related issue，OK， 好多嘢啦，好多 category， 但係唔係每一隻都有得 check 嘅 ，OK。Lost and found issue 你撳 ，OK，passenger left something in my car。呢度有一個 chat with us，OK。然後咧你返去 ，OK， 呢度有得 chat with us， 再返去，你撳第二隻咧cancellation issue， 你撳呢隻咧，呢隻冇得 check 嘅，冇得 check，OK。你要先喺撳一撳，你揾到有啲有得 check 嘅咯，OK。Passenger behaviour issue，OK。我知道邊隻有得 check 咧，我就知道，我就撳俾你睇下。How to handle a rude passenger？ 呢個啦，carrying harmful material， 佢有得 check，OK。My passenger carrying harmful material. My passenger behave inappropriately. I wasn't paid for my booking. My passenger make a mess。呢四隻係咪都係有得 check 嘅？呢個 unable to proceed with the trip. I pick up the wrong passenger。呢個都係有得 check 嘅。OK。總之咧你係咁多 category 咧，你先咧撳到有得 check 咧，你就幫 Grab Center check 就得㗎。如果唔係咧，你就要去 Grab Center 搞掂呢啲嘢。